Well, hey y'all, how y'all doing today? Oh, we are going to make some peanut butter cookies. I have been wanting to make some peanut butter cookies for a while, and hubby told me last night, he says, you know, I'm out of sweets. So I guess that was a cue. You need to be making something today. So anyway, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to make some peanut butter cookies today. So I'm going to carry y'all along. And let's see, I haven't made these cookies in a long time. Of course, peanut butter cookies is different ways all the time. We're going to have flour. We're going to have half a stick of butter, half a cup of sugar, half a cup of brown sugar, 1 1/4 cup of flour. We're gonna have a half cup of peanut butter. It says creamy, but I like crunchy, so I'm gonna put crunchy in here. And then we got a half teaspoon of vanilla, and I'm gonna use canola oil in here for my brown sugar, so that my peanut butter, so that it'll come out easy. So let's get this going. I'm using self-rising. If you want to use all-purpose, then you're going to use let's see, you use 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt if you're going to use all-purpose. But I'm not using that. I'm using self-rising, so I won't be using the baking soda or the salt. And we're going to preheat the oven for 375, and we're going to cook them for about 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. We'll just keep an eye on them. But anyway, we're also going to use an egg in this also. So let's get started. See if I can get y'all set up here. Put the butter in here. It's a half a stick. And I got it kind of softened. I'm going to put half a cup of granulated sugar. Whoop, gotta move you. I gotta get my brown sugar out of here. I got y'all standing on the brown sugar. So hang on a minute. I'm going to pack this brown sugar. Always when you get brown sugar out, it makes a mess. At least it does for me. But that's all right. We can clean up our mess. Let me get the peanut butter. Half a cup. Alright. And spraying that, it brings it right on out. To the vanilla. You know, I always have to have a little bit more vanilla than what it calls for. That's just me. Let me get my... I didn't get a thing to crack it in, so I'll crack it in this. Now see, that's kind of cloudy. I don't like the way that egg looks. That's why I say crack your eggs before you do it. Alright, that looks better. Alrighty. Now, we're going to mix the butter, the peanut butter, the sugar, and the brown sugar, eggs, and vanilla until creamy. So, I'm not going to use the big bad KitchenAid. I don't feel like pulling it out today. See how creamy it looks? Okay. Add flour until smooth. I'm going to add just a little bit at a time. Not all at once because I don't want it flying. Add a little bit more. Okay, there. Let me clean up this mess. Alright. I've sprayed this with, it says to roll them with your hands, but I'm not going to do it. I'm going to take an ice cream scoop and I sprayed it with the cooking oil. And I'm going to drop them on here. I'm taking a fork, dipping it in with sugar and pressing it down. And Xing it. Let's see how these turn out. If y'all have made peanut butter cookies, tell me how you make yours. Tell me if you like peanut butter cookies. Or tell me what kind of cookies you like. It's been forever since I made him. Alright, we're going to pop them in the oven. Like I said, for about 12 to 15 minutes until they're lightly brown. Anyway, here's what they look like. I'll bring y'all back in a little bit. Okay, this is 15 minutes. Don't they look good? They turned out so pretty. Oh, don't they look awesome? They turned out so good. Oh, now let's try them. Oh my goodness. Would y'all like a bite? Oh my goodness. Yummy, yummy. Ooh, my husband's gonna be so happy. Ooh, they have such a nice flavor. And y'all seen how simple it was to make them. So I hope y'all will try them. I'm also going to make a no-bake, what's it called? A no-bake bar in just a little bit. So I'm going to try that out. Y'all might want to try it. I haven't made this recipe before, but I'm going to give it a spin and see what happens, and bring y'all along with it. But anyway, I do hope y'all have a wonderful day, and Know that I love y'all. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, share my videos, and God bless y'all. Mwah!